Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Rob, and we're here at SP MotorSports for the Trunk or Treat event. Looks really good, so let's go ahead and let's get in there. Alright guys, we're here in the Trunk or Treat area, so this is our front area. A lot of nice cars. Beautiful RSR. Whew. I like gold. We got the NRWB out here. Very cool. Looks good. It's race Porsches. A lot of fun stuff. Always like the Martini livery. Wow. That's really nice. I'll show you the rest of the cars parked outside later, but for now let's go inside of their shop. After we look at this Lamborghini. Jesus. That's cool. Nice showroom. Like the Porsche tractor over here. Oh, cool little sim setup. Really cool. Alright guys. Let's see what we have outside. Word of the day is Porsches. Really nice blue. I like that one on top. RS5. Really nice GT3 RS. Look at this. This is cool. So my favorite part about Porsches is I definitely say that I see them at the track a lot more than a lot of other high-end cars. So it's kind of cool that it's sort of a brand that is essentially recognized as, you know, track cars and should be taken to the track regularly. Nice Lambo. AMG. Nice Porsche rolling out.
This is, I forgot what's the Instagram.
Absolutely beautiful. That sounds real good. Another nice one.
I missed opening up. Remember, I was hoping he'd park. I didn't know he was down
Oh, that's awesome. Alright, let's see what else is here. Like the wheels on this one. Really nice GT3. Nice mat. Really love the gray on this RS. GT4. Porsche heaven out here, I swear. Got JJ in the back. Whew. Just beautiful. Going to these meets always makes me really want one. Maybe.
Great costumes, everyone. Great job.
Nice orange GT3. Nice BMW over here. And while it's not a Porsche, pretty cool Tacoma. SCS wheels. Pretty cool. I like it. Very nice S2000 here. Check that out. It's got the carbon fiber top. I think this might be a Mugen part. Very, very rare accessory. Really cool to see it. Looks real good. Porsche rolling in.
My new race car is here.
Aventador just rolled in. Pretty cool. Alright, you guys, so the meet is winding down, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get going. I did, kind of funny, I did win a free post and pre, track inspection for Porsches only, which is kind of funny to me because I just have a Tacoma, but that's okay. It's pretty cool, really like, to shop it, really like the area. I always loved industrial areas, always so nice and quiet. So yeah, definitely recommend checking out the shop at SP Motors. With that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.